Hi everyone, welcome back.
Hi.
We're gonna go out diving and scrapping. It's very cold today. It's like, it went like a few hours ago, it was all the way up to 23, but it dropped back down to 21 degrees
All the way.
Fahrenheit.
All the way.
Fahrenheit. So we got some prayers to send out. If you guys have time, send some prayers to these people because they need them.
Dr. Albert Packin asks that we pray for his oldest friend, Vicky and forgive me if I mess up the last name, Tosquez, who has brain cancer. So prayers for Vicky. Granny Peggy would like us to pray for her sons to stop drinking alcohol. Gail Benson requests that we pray for her sister who has been diagnosed with breast cancer. So prayers for Gail's sister. Terry Young has asked for prayer healing for Colt, who has cancer. So prayers for Colt.
All right, let's go see what's out there. Oh, this one smells
stinky.
pretty foul, even though it's only 21 degrees. Lots of cucumbers. Lots of, I see some lemons.
And the peppers and everything.
Those peppers look pretty good, yeah. This one's got some kind of, oh no, that's perfect. Yeah, this is not pleasant. This is a nice pepper.
Yep, I don't see anything wrong with that one. Could use some.
What's this, a zucchini? Sorry guys, I wasn't even pointing it in the right direction. Do you want the bagels?
I don't know, what do you think? It looks like they have something in them and you'll think it's bugs.
They're blueberry ones.
Blueberry bagels?
Sure.
Oh, no, look. Someone else has been eating the blueberry bagels.
Okay. What?
There are some real Pepsis, though, and some orange crush.
Ooh. Wow. Real Pepsis, Leanne.
No.
Oh, and some iced teas. Let's get a couple.
Let's go fishing. Bag to put them in.
Oops.
Sometimes it'll snap back in.
Yeah. Oh, they seem frozen. That's gonna suck. Yeah.
Frozen to the bottom.
We'll take. Oh, these are the tiny ones.
Minis.
You want some more? I think they'll be frozen, won't they?
Well,
See if they're frozen.
As long as they don't explode, they'll be all right. 21
They might
degrees,
not be set.
Depends on how long we've been out. Three. For those of you learning to count them all. Slippery lip. 4. The plastic is stuck.
All right, that's it. Sorry, guys.
A fun little fishing expedition.
No.
Thought it was full. It was just frozen to the box.
What is it, Leanne?
Got a grab bag. I thought it was old party garbage, but it's merch.
Oh yeah, get her up. Beautiful.
It's all merch too. I might see something else in there. see them too?
I see them.
Are they full?
They feel like they're full. No, this one doesn't.
No top.
No, they're not full. Here's some Starburst.
Yeah, now that's, too bad about the M&Ms.
Well, I'll keep the Starburst. There looks like there could be something interesting. What is that, metal?
Oh, we got some oranges. How many do you want? How many bags of oranges you want?
Oh, wow. Get them all. Oh yeah, we got some can action going
Already
here.
bagged up for us. Oh, these ones feel full. What's going on in that?
There's a bottle in there. We'll move it.
Oh, I see something.
What?
I don't know. Anything in there?
A piece of metal.
No, something metal, but it's either really heavy or frozen to the ground.
Here, let's get the thingamajig. Well, it's definitely frozen to it. So,
Give up on that.
well, we can get the metal out of the box, though. Looks like there's metal in it. No, man, that's a motor. The whole thing is frozen, man.
That's the whole thing.
Ugh. There's some metal. Watch it, there's ice.
Oh, it's frozen to the ground. There we go.
Excellent.
What else we got? What's in those keys?
All right.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know what this is, but we might need it. Scotch tape.
Lost in the other hand. The tape.
All right, it's getting dark now. Found a little something.
A little something, something. Gotta get the gloves on or someone will yell.
Ta-da. Let's clean that up right up and put it in the shower.
I think we're gonna scrap it. It's pretty rusty. Scrap it up, scrap it up. Scrap it up, scrap it up.
Scrap it up, scrap it up. Scrap it up, scrap it up. Okay, guys. Circumstances has changed and it's a little bit colder,
A little snowier.
but we're out here.
It's Ohio.
Let's see what we got so far.
So far we got some scotch tape.
Okay.
Some scotch tape, some other kind of tape. Let's see. Toss these up here. This cool bag.
You guys saw us getting it?
Let's hold from Miss Avisha. It's an insulated performance pack. I don't know if you can show
Got
it.
all the stuff in there.
There's the cardboard on it. See, show it.
It's got these little
All the little containers
portion
and
control
the
and-
cool cold pack, and looks like a little some
Yeah,
more
you guys
little
can look at the
packs, yeah.
picture of it. It's pretty sweet. That'll go at the flea market.
See, now we're just starting to go through the grab bag. I do have some garbage here. I put a bag here as we go through the garbage. We also have a blue stocking Batman with snowflakes on it. A rainbow slinky.
Sweet.
One of these. Maybe we have a ball to go with it.
I see a ball in
I'm
there.
sure we do. Oh. This probably isn't the one that meant for it, but it'll
All
work.
right.
Oh, he's cute.
Kind of a football.
Oh dear.
What?
Something has gone wrong with these babies.
Oh dear.
We're gonna have to work on that a little.
Looks fine to me.
Someone's been playing with the baby doll.
I don't see nothing wrong with that.
All right, we got some disinfectant spray with no
Top.
top.
We do have one of those inside. We can
Open
take the
top
top off and put it on there.
Some Tropicana juice
Nah.
that's been opened. This is garbage. See if we got anything else good in here.
All right. Three Musketeers minis.
Got some Three Musketeers minis.
And a unicorn tape dispenser. Nice. I like that.
Oh, I found the tap to the disinfectant.
Excellent.
All those goldfish are still sealed inside.
The fake ones. The whalers.
You did it, grad.
Yay,
A
you
graduation
did it, Grad.
card with no year on it, so we're good with that. Some foil pans that can go for scrap. Some Welch's fruit snacks. Look like they're still sealed inside. This. A dry.
Right, that's for floral arrangement.
Okay. This LED light something. Light set.
Cute. It's a light set. That's nice.
Open.
I'll probably want that little light set, so don't.
Alright. Garbage.
Alright, is that it?
Can't tell. A photo frame.
Okay.
8x10. Looks like everything's good with it. We got some kind of beads. More
Crayons in
beads.
there.
And a crayon. Oh, lots of crayons. A whole box that has spilled out.
Ooh, cosmic crayons.
Oh, we got another one of these.
Those are cool.
Yeah.
Fidget things.
Fidget toys. Did you get a good look at that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's another one.
Thank you.
Ooh. A SpongeBob SquarePants.
Oh, we love SpongeBob.
Very nice. One of those grow creatures.
All right. He's got a cashew on it. Yoda, but pink.
instant skin refresher. Some more Musketeers. That's good. I don't know what this is. More garbage. I think that's about it.
All right, is that it?
So that's our little haul so far.
Drop your little bag and let me get the garbage out.
I'm thinking about getting a juicer, guys, so then I can take all this stuff and eat it. Yeah, these little chip bags got enough of them.
Oh, it's frozen solid.
Wow.
I've never seen a pepper frozen like that.
Listen. Oh man, that thing is frozen. Still, someone's gonna be like, they're still good.
Boil them, use them for sauce, can them up. Compost them. Metal, 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 metal.
Is that an old bike rack?
Not sure,
Yep,
but it's metal,
that's
metal,
what
metal,
it
metal.
is. All right.
On the board.
Yeah, bye-bye. Woohoo! What? There's a microwave? Well, there's all kinds of interesting things in there. Don't fall. Here, just pull her, honey. Just pull her with the plug. There you go.
Slide it on the ice.
All right, there's all kinds of interesting things. Look at all the dolls.
Oh, haunted dolls.
The haunted dolls. All right.
Got the match set. Snips through the vacuum. By myself.
All right, I see another one in there, so I see another vacuum.
Oh, this whole thing, it's mostly metal.
Wow, this thing is metal too.
Where's that whole thing coming from?
Is that part metal? Plastic?
Plastic.
Right. Everything gets all stiff.
And it's cold.
up here.
It is cold.
There we go. All right. All right. Sweet cream. Well, those all fell out. Do you want these? Might as well take them. Oh, candles. Are we on there? Yep. Oh, this is gonna be a good score, guys. If no one comes out. Oh yeah. Check it out. More fuel to the fire. What's that?
I need more candles, big ones.
Oh yes. Candle score. Oh no, it's jars, hon. Look. What's that?
Glasses.
All right, let's get these. Oh, I see some more on the other side.
How to get them?
We're not going to be able to get them.
Well, we can drag them from that.
We could.
We don't need that time. What about those juices back there?
I see food over there too. You want to get in? All right, what do you want? The juicies?
Let's see what they are. What do we need?
All right, I'm not going to be able to get that. What's this? All right, I got it. What'd you get? Anything good? All right. Oh, you know what they got over here? That beef stew you like. Leanne. Look at, don't you like this stuff?
Yes.
Beef stew?
Depends on the brand.
Oh, it's cold, guys. This one's not broken.
Yeah, I found a couple.
You want these? These juicies? Sunny day.
Give them to the kids right now.
Look. All right, do you want some of this milk?
What about those
I mean, it's probably frozen paint. You want some blue paint? It's probably frozen. I mean, you have tons of paint.
I know.
Oh,
Or painting a masterpiece. I can bunch of
you got a bunch of the nail polish
those.
too?
Start selling nail polishes again too, because I can't use it.
Is that one broke? Oh man.
Oh, I got
Get the
it.
this thing right here, these
Oh.
candles. I like to get the candles, guys. It helps me heat my home.
Don't act like we don't have gas. Just like them for the ambiance and the dishes after. That's always it. No good place to hook on to.
It's not a very good box.
Totally gotten wet.
Oh, it's damp. It's on both sides. It's all they're all broken, hun.
Should we leave them or take them?
I wouldn't take them. There's none that are okay.
Sometimes you can break the glass off around them,
Oh no, guardian angel. Oh, here's a couple.
but
We gotta keep the guardian angel
Yes,
ones,
those are-
right,
these
guys?
are a prayer. Keep us safe during our spooky videos.
That's right. All right, not too bad. You want those little meat cans of meat?
No.
All right, let's go. Well, that's it. There ain't no more. I hope you enjoyed our scores.
We're gonna have to go through all this stuff.
Do you think they saw everything? I think you guys did.
Mostly everything. If not, if there's
The
anything
candles,
amazing that we
The
didn't,
jars, the juicies.
anything that's really good, we'll show you the next time. If not, you'll see it sometime at the flea market.
Like, subscribe, and share. If you subscribe, it helps YouTube pick videos that you like. So it does us both a world of good.
And while you're subscribing, go over to our other channel and subscribe there too. And make sure, all you new people, go back and watch our older videos. We got lots of good scores that you'll love to see. And maybe you'll understand better what it is we're actually doing here if you watch some of our.
Goodbye, loves.
We love you.
Stay warm.